Alright, we have our thing undone. Here's part 2, the generator tested. You don't need to unplug that with that, but I recommend you unplugging it from the house first. And I'm going to start the generator up, since it's a cold engine. Since it's oil, mix, and gas, you have to shake this up a couple times. Diesel and clean gas, you don't have to do it. And it's just where it is only oil mixed gas. So just plug it. This is for the circulator, this is for self-suggestion. Turn that on, the fuel switch, and do it. All you guys, the motor wants to put the can in the tilt switch. So it will work. Put it on a little bit so the engine to get warmed up. You can see I did. Flammable liquid, and then the screen on there to stop any spark emissions from falling out if they're in a fire. You can see I have it away, so I'm going to turn it a little bit this way. Now the electricity is going to the outlet. So you can see, I turn it away. The loss has to be away from any living space like our house. Now we're going to go and I'm going to turn on the switch now. And you can see now we have all the electricity. Now you can hear the engine running from the generator. See? It's on now. Then you have a switch. See, this is on. Generator power now. It's a little tiny bit dim. We have a generator on the outside here, plugged into your extension cord. You see it. So it puffs smoke because it's a cold engine now and stuff. See, now I had a pause between the engine starting and stuff like that. And then to turn it off, you do the opposite. Go and go up here. And there's a little bit on this too, so I forgot to mention. Onto this too. Now we have no electricity going through the wire, no whatsoever. And then to turn it off, you do the same thing. Okay. Then to put it away, it's the opposite. You go over here with unplugged. Then you come over here. You unplug this. Give you a phone. When you're undone, you are always going to unplug it. So this is the extension point. It's not really used to it. Yeah. Now you just open it up. You lift up. You lift up here and you plug in your thing like this. And stuff. And then you grab a stem cord, put it away. And then ta-da, and the generator, you know when you get generator and it pulls all of this, you watch my generator video I made a while back, then you know that it's not me. You see I'm still trying to use it. See, I got out of school early, people wondering why I'm home, making a video early, I got out of school early, for the bad day. So I'm going to grab the generator, I'm going to put this right next to the generator, you can see. It's all plugged away now, and I'm just wondering. I have to go get a new switch. I need to get another CD electrical box and stuff like that, and the new outside electrical box, stuff like that. More wiring, of course. So I used it all up. You can see here's that thing. It's all plugged in. If you do not want to use an indoor cover for this, because it needs a seal. There's a seal on the outside. So it says outdoor use. You can use that for outdoor. Stuff like that. I'm going to unplug it. I'm going to turn this off. So thanks for watching and subscribe to both my videos I made. Goodbye. Oh.